can do this all day.
Oh, it looks beautiful out here.
I've always been really active and, lifted weights, played sports, did everything, worked outside, did a lot of stuff. And I've actually gone to Idaho Spine and Sports for a couple of different occasions, and they all had to do with basically the functionality of my hands. And so I went to Idaho Spine and Sports to get treatment, and got back to a place where I was capable of doing the things that I was used to doing. I got to the point where I was needing help lifting my backpack and throwing it into the truck, or just regular things. And I work in an office and I type all the time, and that aggravated it as well. And so again, it was just my daily life was impacted in ways I didn't even think about. So it wasn't just the heavy lifting and the squeezing and the hand strength and all that kind of stuff. It was a lot more than that. The pain was progressive, and I think it just kept getting worse and worse, and I was trying to just work through it. And as I tried to work through it, it got more painful. And when I got to the point where it was just unbearable is when I called. I believe I had 9 weeks of physical therapy, and every week got just progressively better. And so I went once a week, and I was always looking forward to seeing what the progress was. And so about 9 weeks of it. Immediately after my 8th appointment, I had a tea time, and I wanted to go see how I was doing, and it went great. I was golfing before I even stopped treatment. What they do at Idaho Spine and Sports is they provide basically a plan of exercises that you should do to continue to strengthen the muscles that were damaged or that were hurt. So continue to do those, and making sure I follow that plan. It really helps with the continuation of that. So it was good. Yeah. Their motto is whatever it takes, and they do just that. I multiple times had to reschedule my appointment due to my schedule changing, and they did whatever they could to fit me in where they could and where I could. Aside from that, they took extra care of me, called me, followed up to see how things were going. They basically were extra accommodating and extra thorough in their treatment. There's a lot of things that I don't think I would have been able to achieve with remodeling our house without having this, and getting the normal tendencies of my life back. And it's a good feeling knowing that there are people in this profession that really care about your well-being, and to that extent.